Today is the unboxing review of Kamen Rider Build DX Full Bottle Buster, the weapon that Kamen Rider Build used in his battles against Rogue, which he can only use this weapon either on his Rabbit form or his Tank form, which in the front of the box is the full bottle buster in sword mode. And right here, it's on blaster mode. It does actually comes in two modes. And right here, it's Rabbit and Tank. The only forms that are allowed to use this weapon. Left side, full bottle buster. On the back, the first panel is where you put in the full bottles in, which of course one full bottle, 2, 3, 4 on the sword form, rabbit form, and then panel 2 is where you switch it to blaster mode with tank form. Then the third panel is where you put in the full rabbit tank bottle with the full bottle buster. Then the third panel, and then on the fourth panel is where you put in the full bottles in either in organic or inorganic material full bottles. Top, drill, chainsaws, gear, hammer, rabbit form, full bottle buster. Then right side, tank form, full bottle buster blaster mode. Then on the bottom, full bottle buster, tank form, full bottle buster, rabbit form. And now it is time to unbox it right now. Sorry about the lighting; it's super bright in my office. Sorry. So anyway, let's unbox it. And here it is, the full bottle buster, the super weapon for Bill's power-up modes, rabbit form and tank form. As you can see right here, this design is black with yellow, gold, silver, red design, and it is a decent weapon. You can actually hold it in your hand, and the extra handle is because it's actually heavy. As we go to the back, all black, we have the speakers, the battery compartment where it takes 3 AAA batteries, the on and off switch, and as I turn it on, it'll go like this. It goes that sound. Oops, sorry. My bad. And when you press the trigger, it goes to sword mode attacks. And when you press this button, the blaster mode appears. It transforms to a blaster mode. My bad. And when you press the trigger again, it does the same attacks. And now I'm about to put him. And now, as I said before, it does attacks with the full bottles. So I'll go ahead and bring in the full bottles for the attacks. Alright, here we go. First up is the Rabbit full bottle, sorry. Here we go. Insert it in. Press the trigger and does this. And the only way to to get the full bottle out of the buster is to move your finger like this. Press the button right here to release it. And there you go. Now let's try the Rabbit and Panda full buster. Full bottle. Sorry. Full bottles. Sorry. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry. So let me just put it in the right way. And when you put two, it does this. Oh, sorry. Press the trigger. It said just match. Exert it out. Put in 3 full busters with the Taka. It'll make this. But it does this as well. It'll go Miracle Match. Let's take them out. And when we put in 4, it'll become the ultimate attack. So, Rabbit. Panda. Oh, sorry. Panda. Let me just put this in. Taka. And now Ninja. Here we go. Press the trigger. And there you have it on sword mode. Now let's try it with the blaster mode right now. And now now I'm about to use the inorganic full bottles for the blaster mode of the full bottle buster. So, sorry about that. First up, we put in the tank full buster. Tank full bottle. And let me take it out. Oh, sorry. Now, Tank and Diamond. Even though Rogue used Diamond in the last episode. Here we go. For double attack. Oops. Here we go. Let me just... There we go. Here we go. Taking it out. Now let's But let's try triple attack. This time with the gallon full bottle. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Taking them out. Sorry, let me just. There we go. And now for the fourth ultimate attack with the rocket. Here we go. And here we and press the trigger. And there you have it. Now let's bring out the full rabbit tank bottle for the full bottle buster. And I brought in the full rabbit tank bottle, and I'm about to put it in with the, sorry about that, with the full bottle buster. Let me open this up. Let's try it in sword form right now. Sorry about that. Let me just put it in. Here we go. Wait. There we go. Wait. Sorry. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Wrong way. There we go. Here we go. And you can also use it in blaster mode, which I'm about to do that right now. Sorry about that. There we go. Here we go. Sorry. And there you have it. Sorry. And there you have it. I had to admit, I actually love this toy, which some people say that it's a perfect size toy if you actually wanted it to actually fit into a normal hands. But I do love the part where Bill debuted with his first super form, which he used it to fight Rogue. But now we're getting to the part where we get to introduce Cross C's new form, Cross C Magma, and I can't wait to do the unboxing review of Cross Magma Knuckles. And I also got word that Grease will get his ultimate form, which is the first time that we actually see 3 Kamen Riders with their ultimate forms. So I'm actually going to enjoy with the fact that we finally get to see 3 Kamen Riders ultimate form. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Till then, this is Anime Guy Drinking here saying sign out. Laters!